Hey guys, welcome back. I'm the Bento Buster and we are making Spam Musubi today with a twist. So let's get started. Hey guys, today we're doing my version of Hawaii's iconic snack, the Spam Musubi. And you have to admit, my version is a little different because I'm making a Rilakkuma Kimchi Spam Musubi. For this dish, we're going to need a big thick slice of Spam. The slice has to be big enough to fit this cookie cutter. So guys, please hello my little friend, Rilakkuma. He's a really popular Japanese cartoon character. When making this, you can use any cookie cutter that you have in hand, but just make sure that it's big enough to fit the base of the musubi. Okay, stage 1 accomplished. He's come out in one piece in all his porky glory. Now it's time to fry the Spam, but please keep an eye on it because you don't want it to burn. Next, I'm going to brush him with some teriyaki sauce because I really want to sweeten this guy up. Over low heat, continue the process of turning him over and basting him until he's done. Now I'm going to cut the facial features out of the seaweed using my little puncher. A tool like this makes these difficult tasks so easy. They really do think of everything. I'll be using these stencils to cut the snout and ears out of these slices of cheese. And once again, as you can see, these highly versatile tools make these tasks so easy. So if the Bento Buster can do it, you can do it too. Okay, now it's time to assemble the bear, and this time, I'm using tweezers. When you're dealing with little teeny weeny pieces of food, tweezers are lifesavers. This stage involves a steady hand and a lot of concentration. And like I've said in the past, this can actually be quite therapeutic. So I guess you can say it's kind of zen? Clear your mind and connect with the Spam. The Spam. The Spam. Nah, I'm just joking. We're going to be eating this guy soon. Okay, our bear is looking great. He's almost done. Now, if some of these wee pieces don't fit, don't be scared to modify them with some scissors and make them fit. It's just a matter of tweaking it until you're happy with the final product. Okay, finally, I'm just going to put on his ears, and there we have it, one cute little Rilakkuma. Okay guys, what do you think? Does he look too cute to eat? Because I tell you what, he's looking pretty delicious to me. This is some rice that I prepared in my rice cooker. I'm just going to add some furikake to the rice and mix it in. You can use any flavor you like. Today I'm using Wakana, that's a type of green vegetable. The addition of the furikake is going to give this rice a lot of flavor and again, a lot of character. Mix it all together until it's well incorporated, and then we're ready to make the base of this musubi. This is my musubi press and it's really easy to use. First, place the mold on top of some saran wrap. Next, fill the mold with enough rice to form the base of the musubi. Then finally put on the top and press down, and that's all you have to do. No fuss, no mess. It's really simple. Now it's time to add the kimchi. This may sound profound, but not all spam musubis are created equal. You have your good ones, and then you have your bland ones. And trust me when I say this one's one of the good ones, because he's packed full of flavor and kimchi goodness. Now let's place our spam rilakkuma onto his bed of kimchi. And finally, I'm just going to secure him in place with a strip of seaweed. Because we don't want him to escape. I mean, there's nothing worse than a wild bear on the loose. Oh, I've been to Jackson Hole, people. I've seen things. I've been to Jackson Hole. And there we have it, one delicious looking Rilakkuma Kimchi Spam Musubi. This guy is definitely taking the humble Spam Musubi to the next level. He's super cute and just oozing with flavor. Just look at him. He's perfection. He's meaty, he's sweet and juicy, he's spicy and savory. Ah, who am I kidding? He's going in my mouth. All that really matters is that he tastes great. He's a real taste sensation. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and you want to see more, please like and subscribe or leave me a message in the comments. I read them all. I'm the Bento Buster and I'll see you next time.